Here we have a 1957 Vibroplex Bug. This is the Champion model, which was a less expensive version of the original Bug. And it is in very good condition, better than I thought it was actually from the pictures. No broken or missing parts, just needs to be disassembled and cleaned. And it came with this, the original carrying case, which is also in very good shape. Now, I got a very good price on this, and I think it's because it's got all these holes drilled in the base. Here, here, here. The holes don't bother me, but I was curious about that, so I wrote to Vibroplex, and they emailed me right back and said, well, sometimes the owners of these bugs, if they're going to be used on an airplane, ship, or the railroad, they would bolt these down to a desk. Now, I thought that was pretty cool. Or, you know, could have just been a ham operator who did it. But anyway, this will be disassembled, cleaned up, polished, and put back together again. So let's get started.